Hi, I'm Tim McCain, Donnelly Ford Galleon. Hey, I'm here today to talk to you about Ford Pass Connect. I don't know if you've ever seen this feature or not yet or heard about it, but on most of your new vehicles today, you'll have a phone app that will pair your vehicle to. You can remote start it right from your phone, unlock it from your phone. Very cool feature. We will set that up for you. So if you purchased a car in that 2017 newer to Ford and you didn't buy it at Donnelly Ford, no one showed you how to use that, you bought it at a small lot or Chevy dealer and they didn't know what that feature was, well, come and see me and I'll see if your vehicle has it and help you set it up. Some other cool things on this, want to show you about the starting and everything. Let's say I go to Ohio State football game and I can't remember where I parked my car from like 20 blocks away. So I'm going to hit the vehicle. It actually shows the address where it's at. I click that, then I can zoom in and actually find my vehicle and get back to my vehicle and on my way home after Ohio State victory. Come and see us at Donnelly Ford Galleon today.